how to multiply mixed numbers. So when we multiply mixed numbers, all we have to do is convert first to improper fraction, then apply the rule in multiplying fractions, numerator times numerator over denominator times denominator. Okay, so let's try number 1. So let's convert first to improper fraction. So multiply the denominator to the whole number. So we have 9 times 2, that is equal to 18. Add the numerator, 18 plus 1. So we have 19 over, just copy the denominator, 19 over 9 times. So convert 1 and 1/5. So multiply this. So that is equal to 5. Add the numerator, 5 plus 1. So we have 6 over 5. Now, try natin kung pwedeng merong makancel. So we have 6 and 9. They are both divisible by 3. So divide 6 by 3. The answer is 2. Divide 9 by 3. The answer is 3. So now, let's multiply. 19 times 2, that is equal to 38. And then 3 times 5, that is equal to 15. So we need to convert to mixed number since the answer is improper fraction. So just divide by long division. So we have 38 divided by 15. The answer is 2. 2 times 15 is 30. Subtract, we have remainder of 8. So therefore, the equivalent of this in mixed number is the quotient 2 and the remainder 8 over 15. So final answer is 2 and 8 over 15. Okay, so let's try number 2. So paano naman kapag 3 mixed numbers? So ganun pa rin. Just convert all the mixed numbers to improper fraction. Okay? So let's convert. So just multiply this. 5 times 2, that is equal to 10. Add the numerator, 10 plus 4, we have 14 over 5. Multiplied by, so 2 times 6, that is equal to 12. Add the numerator, 12 plus 1, we have 13 over 2. And then, convert 1 and 2 over 7 to improper fraction. So, 7 times 1 is 7. Plus the numerator, 7 plus 2 is 9 over 7. So now, let's try to use cancellation law. So we can cancel out the 14 and 7, divide both by 7. 7 divided by 7 is 1. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Then what else? We have 2 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. So we can cancel that. If we cancel that, so that is equal to 1. And then we have 13, 9, and then 5. So wala nang pwedeng ma-cancel out. So we just need to multiply. So 1 times 13 times 9. So 13 times 9. So that is equal to 9 times 3, 27. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 2, we have 117 for the numerator. And then denominator, 5 times 1 is equal to 5. So last step is convert to mixed number. So just divide 117 divided by 5. So 11 divided by 5, that is 2. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, we have 1. Bring down 7. 17 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract, the remainder is 2. So therefore, the final answer is the quotient 23 and the remainder 2 over 5. So the final answer is 23 and 2/5. So let's try number 3. Comment your answer.